In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Waze app. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting an issue, or just taking a break, logging out is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few tips so you feel confident doing it on your own. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main map screen so you can access the app's menu. At the top left, you'll see the icon with three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap that to open Waze's main menu. This is where you'll find everything from your saved places to app preferences. Next, tap Settings, which is represented by the little gear icon. Settings is where Waze keeps all the controls for your account, notifications, navigation preferences, and more. If you're on Android or iOS, the layout may look slightly different, but the gear icon will guide you to the right place. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Account and Login. Go ahead and tap that. This section holds details about your profile, the login methods you've connected, and some advanced options that affect your account. Inside Account and Login, look for the Advanced section. Under that, you'll see the Logout option. Tap Logout. Waze will ask you to confirm, just to make sure this is intentional and to prevent accidental signouts. Tap Logout again to confirm. After you confirm, Waze will sign you out and take you back to the Welcome or Sign In screen. Your account details, favorites, and saved places are stored with your Waze account in the cloud, not just on your device, so as long as everything was synced, you won't lose your data. When you're ready to come back, simply sign in again with your preferred method. A couple of quick tips before you finish. If you don't immediately see the hamburger menu or the gear icon, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If you're using Waze during an active drive, it's best to pull over safely and complete the logout when you're not navigating. And if you're connected to CarPlay or Android Auto, disconnect first so the app can switch screens smoothly. That's it. Open Waze, go to the menu, head into Settings, find Account and Login, and confirm the logout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly log out of Waze without any confusion.